Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't pay any mind to my ghetto antlers because today I'm doing a last minute Halloween costume lookbook, okay? So I know that a lot of people are probably like staying home like I am. I'm not doing anything. I think my boyfriend's gonna come over and we're just gonna like wear a costume and take a photo and put it on Instagram, probably like everybody else. But yeah, so for those of you who are not going to sit on their couch and probably go out, I've come out with some last minute Halloween costumes. I came up with 5. And they're non-basic. These are non-basic Halloween costumes. Okay, I'm kind of lying because this one is pretty much basic, but like making this headband was not basic at all. That took a long time, and so did this makeup. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. Anyways, if you guys want to see my last minute non-basic Halloween costumes, let's get right into this video. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. This headband is getting on my last goddamn nerve, and it's gonna take out my hair. Don't forget to like and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. I'm gonna have to take this off camera because I'm gonna lose my hair. I'll see you guys in the next one. I gotta take this out of my hair. Bye.